We brought in Melanie. I'm going to pass it on to you.
Cory can talk now.
Really, this is us talking, right? But I think what's really important is to hear what early adapters, what companies that use this is experienced. Melanie?
Yeah, so I've spoken with Cory a few times now, and what we really wanted to find out is what he was doing before and what he was expecting from the solution, and actually got some great information from him, which is one of the reasons why he's on the call today. And so I'll pass it over to you, Cory, if you can just let us know, the pre and kind of post experience.
Okay, yeah. Big fan of APIs, and obviously, I'll give you the skinny for all of us here who price tobacco. We know it's a complicated challenge. We know that after we price it, we frequently go back and double check and triple check our numbers, and we still make errors from time to time. So our process in the past was we were using an Excel sheet, and we would just add columns for every buy down, and that's how we would track it. And then we'd manually enter into our price book. Generally, it took about half a day. Sometimes, depending on when the price changes hit and promotions hit, it could take a whole day. And then our process would be, I would go behind our price book person and actually audit the promotions to make sure that they're all programmed correctly. In doing that, I think we probably had about a 99.5 roughly % accuracy rating. Our fails would be we'd miss, we'd have price groups and promo groups, but we would miss, one UPC would be in the wrong grouping or just wasn't included. So it was a struggle. I mean, it was a struggle, and we don't let everybody in our organization touch the cigarette pricing. There's only a limited amount of people that can do that. So we were able to get the API connection working, super easy. We implemented it last month, and I mean, we were done in a matter of like minutes. I mean, it took me a couple hours just to audit, just to make sure everything was clean and crisp. But just being truthful, I mean, the API connection does a better job than that your person will do, because it's going to be more accurate down to the UPC, down to the site. So that's my 2 cents. Also, Altria is paying $250 a site. So being able to integrate into APIs, that made us another roughly $9,000. Being able to do that, just throwing it out there as a financial incentive. The first one obviously would be Altria's partnership into that. The second one is less errors, guys. Means less times where you're losing money because you're selling stuff wrong price. Third, the time savings. So we can reallocate our price book person to do other things other than sitting around punching in promotions all day long. So very, very smooth, easy transition to it. And I'd recommend it for anybody who wants to move forward.